Hey everyone, welcome to STEALTHGPT AI, alright? This tool is currently in beta mode, okay? Basically it allows us to detect AI, like ChatGPT or Claude, got it? It claims to beat any AI detector out there, ACO, Neo GPT, Crossplug, you name it. Here they show us a bit about the humanizer and detector. See, you just paste text, hit detect or humanize, and it gives you a score, simple. It'll show writing quality, punctuation, that sort of thing. Helps you gauge the quality of your text. They're showing the interface, which is pretty straightforward. We've got the score, input and output right here, see? And there's the bypass feature. We had a writer too. Let's see if we can access the platform by clicking get started. It looks like we have the SEO writer and a few other things. We're in the dashboard now, right? We've got the free plan, level 0. 50 points to level up and earn $5. How? Here's the humanizer. If we select it, you'll see it's pretty much the same interface. We have the stealth writer, which is basically just a writer, okay? We input our prompt here, and it'll basically do the writing for us. We can convert chat to PDF, use the SEO writer, and there's an AI reviewer too. Let's check out the pricing. As always, I'd pay max $10 a month for this, but none meet that criteria. Oh, we have the Samurai. Look, $5 a month. More daily uses. What do you mean by more daily uses? Oh my, more daily uses. Ah, but it's an add-on. Oh no, this isn't a subscription, it's an add-on. Okay. Essentials, $25 a month. Let's begin. Unlimited words, meaning you can input as many as you want, right? Max of 250k, 500k, or a million words, all for just $25, huh? Then it's 35, 50, and 250 for higher tiers. Wow, look at these market prices. Enhanced AI detection, just one scan for $25, only one scan. You get all the tools, okay? Well, it's an advanced scan. On Trustpilot, they've got a 4.1 rating. Not necessarily real, they might have tweaked that review. Let's check, they only have 18% and 1 star. He says, all generated texts were detectable, just horrible, absolutely useless. I had to pay after my second try and can't humanize the content. It's a very frustrating site. They took $6,000 from my bank account. Well, I'm not sure if that's true, and we don't see much support here either. It could be a scam. There are people complaining that it doesn't work. We should also note that it might not always work, okay? I'll try to find some other reviews. As I mentioned, it's in beta mode. Alright, on Trustpilot, it's easy to modify things a bit. You just ask people to give good ratings, and that's it. Then you have good reviews. But overall, I see it has quite good reviews, huh? Remember, we've only looked at the bad ones so far. Let's check out the positive reviews. The negative ones were certainly very angry. Well, very short reviews are quite useful. See, when you spot very short reviews, this one might be more interesting, but when they're clearly written by ChatGPT, you know? But when you see very short reviews, you can automatically assume they're fake, right? Or that they have no value at all. See this nice? It's good. All of this is pointless. This one's more interesting. Overall, it has very good reviews, eh? I mean, yes, there are some negative cases they've mostly addressed, okay? Not all of them, but still, look at the detailed responses they give, right? I mean, they put in the effort. My verdict, it seems like a good tool, but I wouldn't pay $25 a month for 250,000 words. No way. No way, it just seems too expensive to me. We're talking about 125 articles or so. Actually, about 100 articles for $25. Well, I guess the price isn't that bad, huh? But still, call me cheap, but 250,000 words, you'd burn through that in an afternoon. And that's assuming it works perfectly. You know, it might have flaws. It's not like it's 100% accurate, so, well, that's about it.